In this video, I will show you how to add a model to your portfolio. Here is the template we will use. We will add the model to the Hire Me and My Work. To do that, click Layout option. From here, you can choose any model you want to add. For this example, we will use the contact form. Click on the contact form to copy the model link. Paste the copied link into a notepad. Copy the required code from the notepad. Go to Custom CSS and under the End HTML section, paste the code and save it. Now click on Update with Form. Select the Hero section. Then, click the Edit button to implement any modifications. There are two ways to add a model. Copy the code from the notepad. Paste it into the OnClick field. In the Target window, select the Same Window option. Remove the URL from the Target URL field. So this is one way to add the model. Next, here is the second way to add a model. Remove the Target URL. Write JavaScript. And then paste the same code copied earlier. Change the Target window from New tab to Same Window. This completes the second way to add the model. Now click Save to apply the changes. Then, refresh the tab and click Hire Me to call the model. The model has been successfully added. Finally, click My Work. In this example, the contact form model was added, but you can add any model you prefer. To remove the contact form icon, go to Update with Form. Click on Site Navigation. Locate the contact form icon and click the Delete button. Refresh the tab, and it's done. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.